Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Hannah TEGA. If you're new on my channel, you're very welcome. If you've been before and you're back again, thanks so much for coming. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a reversible ruffle bonnet. So let's just get started. For this project, you need 2 pieces of fabric. As you can see, I have a print fabric and a satin fabric here, and already I've taken 27 inches by 27 inches and I've folded it into halves. As you can see there, it's been folded. So at the end of the day, I've got 13 and a half on one side and still have 27 inches on the other. So you want to fold it again, and when you fold it again, you're ready to start measuring your cap. I've pinned down the fabric together so I could get an accurate measurement. If you want to do that as well, cut 27 by 27 for each piece, fold into half, place them on each other, and fold over again. Apply pins to secure the fabrics together, and at that edge you want to start your measurement. From the edge of the fabric there, you want to start measuring your 13 inches. Make sure you measure 13 inches and mark, and you want to measure that all the way around, starting from that point, the same point. As you can see here, I've measured 13 inches all the way around, so you want to grab your scissors and cut. Once you finish cutting, you want to open it up. You would have 2 circles. You want to place both fabric in such a way that right side is facing right side before you start sewing. At this point, you want to start applying your pins to secure the fabric together before you start stitching. Once you finish applying your pins, you want to take half an inch. You want to stitch half an inch all the way around. Remember to leave 4 inches or 5 inches space allowance so you can turn your fabric easily to the right side. So that's it there. So you want to turn it over to the right side now and leave that space unstitched. Then you want to go ahead and apply your iron. Once that is ironed, you want to go ahead to the next stage, which is stitching. You want to take 1.5 inches. You still have to leave the space open. You want to take 1.5 inches and stitch all the way around. Before you do that, you need to take your tape measure, make your marking 1.5 all the way around. Here I've finished stitching, so I want to go ahead and make another stitching, leaving 3/4. The space between the first stitching and the second stitching is 3/4. The reason for this is due to the width of the elastic I'm going to be using. If your elastic is 1 inch in width, you need to leave a space of 1.5 inches so it can accommodate the width of the elastic. So remember to leave that space. I want you to take note here to make sure you leave the 4 to 5 inches space for turning. So this will enable you to apply your elastic easily. Once you've stitched that bit, you can't apply the elastic, so make sure you leave it open. So here's my elastic. You need to measure your head circumference. I'm working with the head circumference of 22.5 inches. So this elastic is 21.5. Using a safety pin or anything you're comfortable using, pull the elastic through. And once that is done, you want to stitch both ends together. You can tie it as a knot if you want, depends on what you feel comfortable with. And once you've done that, you should have something like this. It's looking good, isn't it? Then the next stage is to close up the 4 inches allowance we left before. And once that is done, you should have a fabulous finish like this. Come on, this looks absolutely stunning. I love it. It's beautiful and elegant. You can either wear it both ways. You can wear it like this, or you can flip it over to the other side and wear it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed every bit of this tutorial. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye for now.